Good morning, third graders. It's just me today, but Lucas wanted to say hi. He's not feeling too great right now, just a little headache, so it's no biggie. We are going to do a cute chameleon today. I thought this would be super fun. So let's get ready for that. The first step is we're gonna do this eye right here. It's an oval. I kind of slanted my oval, so instead of my oval being upright or horizontal, I slanted it just like this at an angle. Okay, so that's the first step, right like this. And then I put a little pupil, I just put a little dot. Okay, I'll hold that up higher so you can see. Ta-da! Okay, so the next step is we're gonna do this curve here. I'm going to come up right about here and then curve down a little bit farther than the eye. So it's gonna go like this, just like that. And then I'm gonna do a curved line for the smile. Okay, just like that, pretty easy. And then we come in just a teeny bit here and do a curved line that stops right where this top line does too. Just like that. Yay, we got a little face now of our chameleon. So for the neck, I just go ahead and I bump up. So it's a curve, it comes down and then connects with a slight curve down at the bottom. I'll hold that up higher for you. Okay. Alrighty, so let's get the back. So the back curves up like this. We'll just go ahead and do this one curved line. So right here you see on the head, it dips. So I don't draw, I leave a space where the neck is and I start right there where that dip is over here. And then I'm gonna curve up. Just like that, okay? And then now we're gonna do a spiral line. We're gonna curve down and then spiral in for the tail. Just like that. Fantastic. Okay, easy, awesome. Okay, so now for the bottom, we're going to do a soft straight line, so it's not completely straight. We're gonna come in for the tail, and then we need to spiral in so it attaches to that tip there. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I curve on the top there, just like that. Okie doke. All right, so for the legs, we're gonna do the legs next. I do 2 straight angled lines. And then I do another 2 straight angled lines. So there's a space in between them. So when I say angle, so this is horizontal, this is vertical, and then a diagonal or an angle line is like this or like this. Okay, so that's what I mean. So I did 2 of those, or I guess I should say 4 of those. Now I'm going to, on the farthest angle line in our pair, I'm going to curve it down the opposite way. Just like that. I'm gonna do the same thing with the front angle line of that pair. And then I stop when I get to the same end as the other line. Okay? So on the front angle line of our pair, we curved. Now I'm going to curve up and down, just like that. And then connect with a straight line. Boom, boom, just like that. Yay! So that's basically that's your chameleon. Now I decided to do rainbow stripes on mine. So if you want to do stripes too, that's fine, but I want you, whatever pattern you want to do, you can, okay? Whatever lines, zigzag, wavy, if you want to do shapes, but if you want to do stripes, I do just soft curves all the way down the tail like this. I just travel along the tail and make sure the curve travels in the same direction. Boop, ba-doop, 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 boop. All right, awesome. So my chameleon's on a branch, it's hanging out. So I go ahead and I start my branch from this side of the paper and it hits the head of my chameleon, and then I stop drawing, I air draw, and then it keeps coming down like that in a curve. Now I have to do the same thing. I leave a space and I do the same thing on the bottom, okay? So if you hit your chameleon, you stop, air draw, then keep drawing when there's not a chameleon there, just like that, okay? Now, if you want to do little vines as well, just like I did in this one, they're just really soft, wavy lines. So I do a wavy line like this, I leave a space, and then I do another wavy line. It's the same wavy line I just did. And then for leaves, I do a curved line, then I go back to where I started that curved line, and I do one going the opposite way, and it comes to a point. And I do that traveling down or up. Oops, that one's gonna face the other way, that's fine. The vine, okay? And you can put those wherever you want. Now, if you want your chameleon in a field of flowers or wherever you want your chameleon, it's totally up to you, okay? So I just noticed that I made a mistake here, which is totally fine. Now, if I had my pencil, I'd erase it and fix it. And I want to know if you can figure out, now if you look at both of these, can you figure out what I did that's a little bit of a mistake on this one that I drew? Okay, so basically the feet are in air. You see that? It's not on the branch right now. So you need to make sure that when you draw the bottom of your branch, that the feet are going to actually look like they're on it. Okay, you see the difference? I'll hold them up. There we go. Okie doke. So email these to me when you can. I can't wait to see them. Yay. And also those of you who joined the Zoom meeting for the live painting yesterday, it was so good to see you. Anyway, have a great day. Bye, third graders.